Good morning guys! Today is Saturday, so yan, wala akong pasok. Si Daddy nasa work and si Eli din wala din siyang pasok. So ginawan ko siya ng strawberry jam sandwich. Yan ang bata. Yan, maaga kasi siya nag-breakfast. Kasi yan, maaga siya nagising. What's that?
It's a bottle.
Yeah, mommy have to wash it first. Eli. You give it to mommy. Mommy have to wash it first and we will fill it with water. What happened to your finger? You show them. What happened to your finger?
That's owie. That's
You have awi on your finger. Oh, here's your bread. What do you want to drink? Mommy will bring it.
cherry juice. Yummy, yummy.
Cherry.
Owie, tummy, yummy, yummy.
Cherry
Owie,
juice. Okay.
Yummy,
So,
yummy.
yan. Nanonood naman
Owie,
siya
tummy,
ng
yummy, yummy.
Blippi
Owie,
today.
tummy,
Naman,
yummy,
nagkatapan
yummy. Owie, tummy.
So, yan. Kuha natin siya ng cherry juice daw. So, yan. Today, wala naman pa kaming plano. Wala pala siyang malamig na cherry juice. Eli? 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 It's not cold. It's not cold yet. You want it? Even if it's not cold? Or you want water? You want milk or chocolate milk instead? You
Cherry
want
juice.
cherry juice? Okay, mommy will put it on the fridge. You want ice on this? Ice and cherry juice?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, Mom.
Okay. So, ayan. Yun, kahapon, yun nga, nagpahinga lang ako. Yeah, pero kahapon, nagpunta din kami ng mall kasi naghanap ako guys ng lotion ko kasi sobrang katina nung baraso ko dahil sa rashes. Hindi ako pwede dun sa lotion na masyadong mabango, yung may perfume. Kasi yung ginamit ko this past few days, puro may perfume. So, yan, nagkaroon ako ng rashes. Sobrang kati niya. Yan, sa dalawang braso, hindi niya masyado makita. Pero sobrang dami ang kati-kati. Ayan o, yung parang butlig-butlig. So, ayun, hindi rin naman ako nakabili ng lotion kasi wala dun yung, siguro online ko na lang bibilhin. Kaya yun, tapos dumaan na rin ako sa H&M kahapon kasi wala na akong masuot na damit. Parang napang trabaho kasi paulit-ulit na suot ko. So, yun, sabi ni Daddy, bumili na nga daw ko. Pero mga t-shirt lang naman yun, guys. And isang dress. Pakita ko na lang sa inyo mamaya. Gina-ice ko lang tong merienda ni Eli. Ano na eh, 10:30 na guys. So, maaga siya nag-breakfast. So, pinamerienda ko muna para at least bago man lang mag-lunch. Matagal pa kasi 2 hours pa kami bago makakain ng lunch. So, mag-snacks na lang muna siya. So, yun guys, update ko kayo ulit later. Nag-grocery din kami ni Daddy kahapon. So, itong mga pistachios at saka cashew nuts, ilalagay ko dito sa empty na bottle ng, or empty jar ng strawberry jam. Pinaglagyan siya ng strawberry jam. And, ito din, itong pangbaon ni Eli, ililipat ko siya. We will put it on the jar.
You need to open this one. You need to open.
Yeah, mommy have to open it. So, there you go, guys. Na-transfer ko na siya sa mga ibang container. Ito na lang, guys, pala yung ginamit ko. Yung aming Bodium na organizer. So, ayan. Nandito yung wafers, yung cashew nuts, pistachios, Skittles ni Eli, and yung Maltesers. So, ayan. Actually, itong mga containers na to, pinaglalagyan lang namin ng mga coffee and oatmeal. So, tinanggal ko sila lahat. Then, since konti naman na yung mga laman, nilipat ko sila dun sa jar ng strawberry jam. So, yan. Tapos sila na lang yung pinaglagyan ko nitong mga, since madalas namin to gamitin. And much easier for Eli na buksan. So, ayan. Siguro, dito ko na lang siya sa area na to ilalagay. Tanggalin ko na lang yung ibang nakalagay dyan. So, yan guys yung ating snack corner. Kaso, iniisip ko kung dyan ko ba talaga sila ilalagay. Kasi, itong area na to, madalas siya mainitan. So, yung mga candies and chocolates ni Eli, baka matunaw. So, yan. We'll see kung dyan na talaga natin ilalagay. Pero, yeah. Since hindi pa naman, tingnan natin mamayang hapon kung iinit. So, ililipat ko siya. And ayan, meron ng kumukuha. Ayun lang. Where are you going? Where are you going?
I want to bring my jars here.
What's that?
It's a jar of candy.
Jar of candy. Okay. Kalolipop ka pa nga eh. So yun guys, tapos na tayo mag-organize. Kaya, magluluto naman ako ng lunch. Itong binili ni Daddy nung, kailan ba to? Nung isang araw. Itong, para siyang, parang lechon kawali, ganun. Pero niluto siya sa oven. Yan, at saka yung ulam namin na may tinola pa kami. And meron pa rin kaming, yung binili naman namin kahapon ni Daddy kasi kumain kami sa McDonald's kahapon. So, meron pa rin kaming chicken nuggets. So, yun. Yan. Magluluto muna ako, guys. So, yan guys. Kakain muna kami. Yan ang aking pagkain. Ito, pork ribs. And then, meron akong chicken nuggets. Yan yung sausawan kong suka na may patis. Then, meron akong Pepsi Max. And ito naman kay Eli, tinola. Hinati-hati ko na guys yung chicken. Tapos meron madaming spinach. And yung kanyang water. And yan, nakalimutan ko sa kitchen yung aming dessert ni Eli na pakwan. So, ayan. That's it guys. Come here Eli, let's eat. So, hello guys. Haul ko lang yung pinamili namin kahapon ni Daddy sa mall. Itong batang nakikisingit. And nakapag-shower na rin ako para fresh naman tayo, no, for today's video. Oh, ano sasabihin mo?
I think it's me out from, I can turn it off.
No, you sit here beside mommy. Okay?
Sorry, Mom.
It's okay. Ayan. Ito guys, binili na namin si Eli ng bagong baonan. Lagi naman bumibili ng baonan. Kasi lagi niya nasisira yung bote, kung saan niya, or yung bote talaga. Yung inuman niya, kasi hinahagis niya kung saan-saan. So, ayan, Spider-Man lang.
Can you hold it?
Can I just show them first? Spider-Man na inuman. Then, pinipress lang, Hila, you sit here. And, pinipress lang tong white na button. Tapos, yun, lalabas na yung inuman. Kung saan pwede siyang mag-sit. And then, ito, itong lunchbox. Nakita na din nun, guys. Yan, Spider-Man. And, yan, may kasama siyang mini na fork. And, ito, itong parang divider. So, yan, excited na ako gamitin ito. Para kay Eli. So, ayan. Nakalak na siya. And, binilang ko rin siya ng shades nung nakaraan. Spider-Man din. So, nahihilig siya sa Spider-Man this past few days. O, ayan na. Suotin mo na tong shades mo kahit nasa loob ka ng bahay. Eli, masisira po. Ayan na nga eh. Kaya bili kami ng bili. Kasi talagang kayo nakalikot niya. Tinan mo. Masisira, Eli.
Mommy,
Oh.
you can fix it if you like. Daddy will fix it. Daddy will fix it.
Okay lang sirain mo kasi Daddy will fix it. Ay, naku, ewan ko sa'yo. Bata ka. Tapos, bumili din ako ng mga t-shirt ko, guys, and isang dress. Can you sit here?
I can hold it.
Okay, you can hold it, but you have to sit here.
Yeah, you can. I can. Mommy, I can.
So, pero mga basic tees lang naman to. Kasi wala nang masuot na t-shirt na pang trabaho. So, yun. Kaya, bumili ako. So, dress mo na yung papakita ko sa inyo, guys. So, ayan, ganyan siya. Mahaba siya. Anyway, size ano to, guys? Medium. Tapos, color brown. Brown one. Ayan, yung mga usong color ngayon. Tapos, mahaba siya. Tapos, meron siyang kaprasong slit dyan. Sa dalawang sides. Yan. And loose din siya, guys. Kaya, tagun-tago yung mga bilbil natin dito. And, ayan, meron siyang pocket sa dalawang sides din.
I can put it there. I'll put it later.
Ano ginagawa mo? Takbo ka ng takbo. Ayan. Sa H&M ko to, guys, binili. Lahat to
You
from
can
H&M.
put it on the bag, Mommy.
So, yan. Lahat yan,
Put
guys.
it on put it on the new bag.
Yeah.
Put it here. Put it
Yeah,
back.
this one is from H&M, guys. Itong mga ihuhol ko. So, ayun na nga. So, ayan, cotton to, guys. Kaya malambot yung tela niya. Anyway, patapos na rin naman yung summer. So, siguro next year ko na yan masusuot. Or pwede pa rin siguro. Pag medyo maganda yung weather. Tapos, ito din. T-shirt lang to, guys. Para siyang blue na gray. Bluish gray. So, yan. Ganyan lang. Plain t-shirt lang siya. Medium ako, guys. Pero large yung kinuha ko. Gusto ko kasi medyo maluwag. So, ayan. And then, puro basic lang to, guys, na mga t-shirt. Tapos, kumuha din ako ng stripes na black and white. Black nga ba to? Yeah. Na black and white. And this one is also large. Large din yung kinuha ko.
Daddy,
So, yan. Yes?
you need to. What did you see? You have a thing.
What's that?
Happy birthday to you.
And then,
Happy birthday
itong t-shirt na to, guys. Rib. Yung tela niya is rib. Ganyan.
Happy birthday
Ah.
to you.
So, yan. Tapos may mga buttons lang siya dyan sa may top part.
Million.
Dito sa may dibdib. Or sa may
Faces.
dibdib. Ayan.
Face.
So, bumili ako ng black and atong ko dalawa yung binili kong ganyan. And, anong color ba to? Parang off-white. Yan. Ano to? Medium to, guys. Yan. Medium tong binili ko. And then, bumili din ako ng ganun din na t-shirt. Pero this one, wala, round neck lang siya. So, wala siyang kahit anong design. So, round neck lang. And then, ribbed yung tela niya. So, ayan. This one is color brown. And I also got it on color white. Wala kasing walang...
Whoa, how many dollars?
Gusto ko sana
How
ng- many
this one is to answer?
That's 89 crowns.
How many for this seconds of this one?
Which one?
How many?
That's Norwegian crowns.
How did you work this one? How did you get this one? How the answers?
What?
How the answers?
What's the answer? This
It's-
is medium. That means M is medium.
Medium. Mommy, XL with the sugars,
Yeah, XL is extra large.
extra large,
Okay. XS is extra small.
extra shell,
Extra small.
extra small.
Yeah, the S is small.
Small. This is
M is
medium.
medium. L is
It's internet.
large.
Large, mommy,
XL is
for the dinners.
extra large.
What?
EUR, that's Europe. That means that this one is European size.
Is PN size? What?
The size of this. Ang daming question.
Mommy, what's the question of USB
Yan na nga.
coordinated fraction?
Okay, wait for mommy. Mommy's almost done. And then, bumili... So, bumili din ako ng oversized na t-shirt, guys. Huy! Huy! Can you move? Wait! Ang kulit! Is it here beside mom? Bumili ako ng oversized na t-shirt. Wait, Eli. Ito talaga. Here. And malaki talaga siya. Ano siya, guys? Dark gray.
Dark today.
Yeah, this one is dark gray.
How many dollars?
Pero, kahit na oversized siya, binili ko pa rin.
Mommy?
Nilakihan ko pa rin yung size.
Mommy, how many this?
Eli, wait. Wait.
How many? How the
Kahit oversized siya, tinaasan ko pa rin yung size ko sa large. So, dapat medium.
Mommy?
Pero, I want it really big. Kaya,
Mommy, how many food dollars? How many cents do you need an answer?
how many?
It's 19.99
Okay.
and 79.
Okay, good job.
17.99.
So, ayan, may nakalagay lang na UCLA 1919. Eli, wait! So, ayan, ganyan siya. And malaki siya talaga, guys. Eli, wait! So, ayan, guys. Ganyan siya kalaki sa akin. And gusto ko siya kapag naka-shorts or naka-leggings, ganyan. So, yan. Pagtrabaho ko lang naman. Kasi nga, wala na akong maisuot. So, ayan. Pare-pareho lang yung sinusuot ko everyday. Ganyan kasi ako, guys. Mahilig ako pumili ng t-shirt na yung kapag ka nagustuhan ko, yung iba-iba yung kulay. So, ang nangyayari, yun nga. Ganun, madami yung t-shirt ko, pero same style. Iba-iba lang yung color. So, hindi ko rin, for me kasi pang araw-araw lang naman. So, okay lang sa akin. And, ayun na nga. So, minsan pinagtitinginan na. Parang feeling ko pinagtitinginan na ako sa trabaho kasi nga, paulit-ulit lang yung damit ko. But anyway, for me naman, okay lang. As long as nilalabhan and mabango yung suot ko, okay lang. So, ayun guys. Tapos na yung haul natin dito sa napakagulong haul natin dahil dito sa bata-batuta na to. Nanonood kasi siya ng Peppa Pig. Kaya, oh, itong shades mo, hindi mo na ito susutin? Oh, you wear it so you can show it to them. How it looks like to you. Can you show it? Oh, be careful. Masipa mo na naman yung cellphone. Yung camera ni Mommy.
Body buga.
Is it nice? You like it?
Yeah.
Ayan. So, si Eli, bibilan ko rin sana
Mommy,
siya ng mga damit. Kaso,
Mommy.
sabi ni Daddy, pag
Mommy,
nagpunta na lang daw kami ng Sweden.
Mommy.
Mm.
I'll teach you.
What are you going to teach Mommy?
How many dollars do you need?
How many?
That's 7. How 199
Huh?
parents.
This one is euro. And the other one is pounds. This is Swedish kroner, Norwegian kroner.
And
This is Dance kroner. I don't know what
I think
the
it's,
other one
I
is.
think it's 199 cents.
Crowns.
199 crowns.
Yeah.
What's that? What's this? What did you answer?
What's that?
What did you answer?
Answer on what?
It's 179 crowns.
Yeah, that's Danish crowns.
Oh, I think I forgot what number is answer.
What number is answer? What is the answer?
It's third word I said to see. To see?
Okay.
What is...
So yun guys, update ko na lang ulit kayo mamaya. Magpapahinga lang ako.
Mommy,
And magtitiklop ng damit, ha? Yeah.
What's this?
I don't know what that one is.
It's $2.
Okay. Yan, magtitiklop na ako guys kasi madami akong tiklupin. Natambakan ako ng tiklupin. Tapos may nakasalang ako na laba. So yan. Eli, you watch TV first, okay? Mommy will just fold the clothes. Okay?
Need to take...
You kiss Mommy. No, don't remove it. Mommy will remove it later. Mommy will also wash it. You kiss Mommy. Stand up.
Can I do it?
Can you kiss Mommy? Mommy will tell you later when Mommy will remove it, then you can help Mommy, okay? So yun guys, update ko kayo ulit later. Get pasalubong. How many lollipops did you get?
3. 1, 2, 3. I think it's 4. Now,
You taste it. You like it?
Banan yata yan.
You like it?
Banan yata yan.
Is it yummy?
Yung isa bubble gum.
Is it yummy?
Watermelon. Saka...
May flavor ba ito?
Watermelon, bubble gum, strawberry. Yung malalaki niya, ganyan kalalaki mami. Sa ko pa testing ko muna.
Is it yummy?
yeah, I'll blow the bubble gum.
It's not a bubble gum. Oh, wag ka na dyan sa tinitiklop ko. Ang dami-dami. Hindi na ako natapos kakatiklop. We got 3 more here.
What is shape?
Strawberry.
Mukha ka ng lollipop.
Ito hindi nakakatakot mo lang. Yung kabila, natatakot ako. Yung bilog.
Yeah.
Malinis ba kamay mo?
Daddy, I think, can I...
Galing yung CR, Daddy.
Kapit ha?
Nag-ano yan? Galing CR. Not there.
Here. Hawakan ko muna ito. Kopyado pa.
Happy birthday to you.
Hurry up.
Pag nag-school ka na, yan ang bako mo.
Happy birthday to you.
Hurry up.
I forgot him.
You put it on the plate. The eggshell. Wala na. Bago ka pa makabalat, gutom na si Daddy.
What's that inside here? What's that inside the egg?
That's the egg.
Mommy?